Slices of thick country bread soaked in a seasoned egg and milk bath topped with grated Parmesan, oven baked. Here's what happens when pain perdu goes from sweet to savory. How about crispy Parmesan French toast? French toast, also known as pain perdu, is a welcome addition to any breakfast or brunch menu, but this got us thinking, how about if you want to enjoy it for lunch or dinner? Well, this recipe checks off all the boxes and you're going to be able to enjoy this delicious dish any time of day. Better still, you're going to need one casserole dish and one liquid measure to make it. Watch this. Let's begin by greasing that 9 by 5 inch oven safe glass casserole. We're gonna set it to the side for a moment. No surprise, you do need bread to make French toast. We're gonna suggest you use a French style country bread or a rustic Italian loaf. 2 slices please, cut them maybe 3/4 to an inch thick. We're gonna place the bread flat down in the casserole dish. Next, we're gonna whisk up a creamy egg and milk mix. Into the liquid measure 2 eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then a sprinkle of paprika or cayenne pepper. We're gonna whisk those ingredients together. Now the dish gets soaked. Pour the egg mix over the bread, just go slow, give the bread a chance to soak it up. Leave the casserole to sit for 30 minutes, but flip the bread at the 15-minute mark to fully soak up that egg mixture. Now we're ready to bake, but before we do that, here comes the cheesy part. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. We're gonna sprinkle the top of each slice with grated Parmesan. We're dividing half a cup between the 2 slices, and then we're gonna dot the tops of the slices with a teaspoon or 2 of butter. Transfer the dish to the oven. We're baking for 20 to 25 minutes. The savory French toast is gonna puff up and get gloriously golden. Options, you can serve it straight away. As is, it is cheesy, there's crispiness. We're gonna add a sprinkle of chopped green onions or maybe chopped parsley. It is so tasty. Ding, 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 bonus round. Let's say you wanna take this savory French toast from simple to amazing. Assorted greens in a small bowl. We're gonna add a drizzle of a favorite oil and a splash of aged balsamic vinegar. Let's do a hit of sea salt flakes, some black pepper, toss, and then a little nest of that salad on the French toast, plus, wait for it, a perfect poached egg, a little sprinkle of seasoning on the top, maybe some fresh herbs. Who's ready to dig in? Oh, just gotta say, now that is amazing. The full recipe for this dish is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, when French toast is this fantastic, you just gotta take a picture of it and post it using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Crispy Parmesan French toast. Simple to amazing, perfect either way. Enjoy. My mouth is watering. I haven't even eaten it yet.